Welcome to our journey through adjectives that start with the letter I. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns, adding color and detail to our language. Today, we'll focus on those unique and interesting adjectives, beginning with I, whether you're a student, a writer, or simply a lover of words. Expanding your vocabulary with these adjectives can make your communication more vivid and precise. Let's dive in and discover how these words can enrich your everyday conversations and writing. Get ready to explore, learn, and be inspired by the power of I adjectives. Word imaginative describes someone who is full of creativity and original ideas. For example, an imaginative child might invent new games or stories, bringing a sense of wonder to everyday life. This adjective is often used to praise people who think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions. In writing, an imaginative author can transport readers to fantastic worlds. Using imaginative in your vocabulary can help you highlight creativity and originality in people or things. When something is impressive, it stands out and leaves a strong impact on others. You might use this adjective to describe a breathtaking performance, a tall building, or a person's achievements. For instance, her speech was truly impressive. This word conveys admiration and respect, making it perfect for highlighting excellence or outstanding qualities. Adding impressive to your vocabulary helps you express when something or someone truly catches your attention. The adjective important is used to describe something of great significance or value. For example, it's important to eat healthy food. This word helps you emphasize the necessity or priority of a person, task, or idea. In both everyday conversations and formal writing, important is a key adjective for highlighting what truly matters. It's a versatile word that fits many contexts, from personal priorities to global issues. If something is incredible, it is so extraordinary that it's hard to believe. You might say, the view from the mountain was incredible, to express amazement. This adjective is often used to describe experiences, achievements, or things that are beyond the ordinary. It adds excitement and energy to your descriptions, making your language more engaging. Use incredible when you want to show that something is truly remarkable. Word industrious describes someone who works hard and is very productive. For example, she is an industrious student who always completes her assignments on time. This adjective is often used to praise people who are diligent and dedicated to their work. It's a great word for highlighting a strong work ethic and persistence. Using industrious in your vocabulary can help you recognize and appreciate hard work in yourself and others. The adjective intelligent is used to describe someone who is smart and quick to understand things. For example, he is an intelligent problem solver. This word is often used to compliment people who show mental sharpness or cleverness. It can also be used for animals or systems that demonstrate advanced abilities. Including intelligent in your vocabulary allows you to recognize and describe intelligence in various forms. When you describe someone as innocent, you mean they are pure, free from guilt, or have not done anything wrong. For example, the child gave an innocent smile. This adjective is often used to highlight honesty, simplicity, or naivety. It can also be used in legal contexts to indicate someone is not guilty. Innocent adds a gentle and positive tone to your descriptions, making it a valuable word for expressing purity or honesty. The adjective innovative describes someone or something that introduces new ideas or methods. For example, the company is known for its innovative products. This word is often used in business, technology, and creative fields to praise originality and forward thinking. Using innovative in your vocabulary helps you highlight progress and creativity, especially when talking about inventions or improvements. If something is inviting, it looks appealing or welcoming. For example, the cozy room was very inviting. This adjective is often used to describe places, food, or even people who make others feel comfortable and at ease. It's a great word to use when you want to express warmth and friendliness. Adding inviting to your vocabulary helps you describe environments or situations that attract and welcome others. The adjective icy describes something very cold or covered in ice. For example, the road was icy after the snowstorm. It can also be used to describe a person's attitude, meaning cold or unfriendly, such as she gave him an icy stare. This word is useful for both literal and figurative descriptions, adding variety to your language when talking about temperature or emotions. The word ideal is used to describe something that is perfect or most suitable. For example, this is the ideal place for a picnic. It's often used to express the best possible situation, person, or thing. Ideal helps you communicate high standards or expectations, making it a useful adjective for recommendations or comparisons. It's a positive word that adds a sense of perfection to your descriptions. The adjective illustrious is used to describe someone who is well known and respected for their achievements. For example, he had an illustrious career in science. This word conveys honor, fame, and distinction. It's often used in formal writing or speeches to highlight someone's outstanding reputation. Including illustrious in your vocabulary helps you recognize and celebrate notable accomplishments. When someone is impartial, they are fair and do not take sides. For example, the judge was impartial during the trial. This adjective is important for describing justice, fairness, and objectivity. It's often used in legal, professional, or decision-making contexts. Using impartial in your vocabulary helps you express the value of fairness and unbiased judgment. The adjective infinite describes something without limits or end. For example, the universe is infinite. It's often used to express endless possibilities, time or space. This word adds a sense of vastness and grandeur to your language. Using infinite in your vocabulary helps you describe things that are boundless or immeasurable, making your descriptions more powerful and poetic.